Oh, hello and welcome to another tips and tricks video. Today's video is a scenario you could find yourself in with any hybrid car. It doesn't matter whether it's made by Toyota or Hyundai or Kia, Peugeot, it doesn't matter. The manufacturer doesn't matter, but it's a problem that can happen. We all know these are hybrid vehicles and they're capable of driving around on pure electric. So you've got two batteries, an auxiliary battery, which is a very small 12-volt battery, and the hybrid battery. The scenario is, these things, if you leave them for a long time, the auxiliary battery goes flat and you can't turn the car on. It'll let you in, but it won't power up. You'll get in the car, you'll go through your entire procedure, foot on the brake, push the button, and the car will not come alive. The auxiliary battery's dead. It's died. It's a very, very common problem with hybrids that don't get used a lot or have been parked up for a couple of weeks. I'm going to show you now how to get one of these going when you come across that problem. And it's a really, really simple trick. Open your bonnet. Pop your bonnet. Let me just swap hands with the camera. Yep, it's a lovely day in North Wales today. Okay, so you're under the bonnet and you're looking for the fuse box. On a Yaris hybrid, fuse box is here. What you need to do now is take the fuse box lid off. And I've not had this lid off since I bought the car. Let me put you down and get the fuse box lid off. Let me plonk you on top of the engine. So I've got the lid off the fuse box. It's quite tight. Let's bring you back. Right, we're in the fuse box now. You're probably wondering, why have I brought you to the fuse box and not the battery? There's a simple reason. This little red plug here, it's got a little tab on it. Needs to be opened. Under there, you'll find a contact point. So what you do now is you give that a 12-volt feed. So in my case, when I go out to do these hybrid battery problems, I get my jump pack out. I'll put positive onto that contact point and I'll find an earth. That bolt there will do as an earth. That will now supply 12-volt supply to the car so you can turn the car on. So imagine now I've put 12 volts on there, earthed it, I've given the car 12-volt supply. Now you can get back in your car the car will now come alive All that 12-volt supply from the auxiliary battery does is it turns a couple of relays on, but it turns relays on in the battery for the hybrid, and if it's not got enough power to turn the relays on for the hybrid system, the car won't come alive. All you've done now is supplement the auxiliary battery to get the car going. Do a couple of miles, it'll recharge the auxiliary battery. It's a really simple thing to do. Anybody that's planning to park one of these up for a couple of weeks, just get yourself a little jump pack, and if you come back to it and the battery's flat, find that port in the fuse box. I think it actually tells you about it on the back of the fuse box. Yes, it does. This might not, you might not be able to see this in the camera. On the fuse box there, it says the exclusive jump starting terminal, and it actually highlights it on the fuse box lid and shows you where it is. There. That's all you've got to do. It's a simple process to bring your car back to life, and that's all Toyota will do. Anyhow, I'll put that back on in a second. I hope you found that little tip of some use. Please let me know in the comments. If you like these type of videos, please click like below. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much for watching.